Hi friends, we're going to talk today about the MyTurn handle, and what it's going to do is it's going to give you a lot more leverage, give you a lot greater strength and a lot more torque. So when you're running your difficult designs or even your simple designs through your Platinum or your Platinum 6 machine, this will make it a whole lot easier. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to show you how to take off your old handle and then install the new one. And once we get that on there, we'll talk a little bit more about it. I think the easiest thing to do is to take your Toolum 1 on the pick side and just pop that in and pull out your cap. Now you take your Allen wrench, you slide it in there to get that in place, and then you'll just undo the Allen nut that's holding this on. And here we go. Take that off. Now I will just take this screw that comes with it. So all this comes with it, as well as an extra little cap in case you lost your cap. So now we will just put this on here, slide it in there. You'll notice there's like a circle, and it's got like a little line there, a little half moon there. So you have to line this gear up properly, and it only seats in one way. So you'll just notice that. Just make sure that you slide it in there correctly. Now I just screw my Allen wrench in, and it's super easy. It's a little bit longer thread, so it takes a few more turns. Once I get this turned in and get it snugged down, it is good to go. Just also make sure to put the washer in. I know some people leave the washer out, but definitely want to make sure that you have the washer in there. So once I get that in there, I just hand tighten it. Wrong one. Take my cap, put the cap back on, and that's it. That's all there is to it. So now to use this, the only thing about this is obviously the handle is longer than the body of the machine. So you're going to have to put this on the edge of a table or on a riser to actually use it. And then when you want to fold it up, let me show you right here. You flip this little latch here. So it's a little magnet right there. You flip that around and it holds it in, and another magnet holds it in place. And now that allows me to fold my handle up. So now I can set this back in my workstation, back in my cubby, wherever I have it stored. To use it again, you fold it down, and then you take this bar here that holds the lever in place, just flip it around, and now there's another magnet that holds it there. So there's a magnet there and a magnet there. That's all there is. Thanks for letting us teach you about the new MyTurn handle. Hope you enjoy it and have a wonderful crafting day.
This is absolutely satisfying.
Let's try the MyComfort grip with the Better Press.
Wow, I cannot believe the difference.
Game changer.
Ooh, that feels smooth.
Why didn't someone think of this before?
I found my new crafty assistant.
It's my turn now.